Flippy Flipper.
Ah!
Escape me, you sniveling little... Come here! Oh, do-gooders! Whoopity!
Dogman? Papa! Flippy's coming this way!
Come out and play! Everybody clear out! You'll never get away, RoboCat!
Come on, let's go!
I'll hunt you down to my last breath!
What are you waiting for?
I'll never stop till you're dead, RoboCat!
You better run, Papa. It's me he wants.
Take him, Dogman. I'll create a distraction and stall the fish.
Papa, wait!
Lil Petey, if something happens to me, just try to be evil and stuff and do the wrong thing. For me.
RoboCat.
But Papa, Flippy's gonna destroy you.
I'll be okay, kid. He's only after do-gooders. And I'm no do-gooder.
RoboCat, there you are.
Go on, get out! I want all you losers out of here now!
Let's take cover here.
RoboCat. Oh, you're much cuter from a distance. Can I say that? Do you mind? Because up close, you kind of look old and sad and like you might have unresolved daddy issues. Oh, Daddy, did you love me? No, he didn't. Oh, well. Come along now. Time to die.
Papa!
Well, that's out of our hands. Nothing we can do about it.
Good idea!
Wait, what?
Carpets. Nah, too slow and boring. Explosives and things. No, too fast and pedestrian. You, RoboCat, are going in that volcano. Then I'll take care of all your dumb do-gooder friends. How's that?
Wait a minute.
This is how it's going to work. As soon as he reaches 10,000 feet, he drops into the volcano. Brilliant.
What you doing?
Well, I'm very busy destroying this RoboCat, actually.
Why?
Because he's a jerk.
Why?
Because he's trying to stop me.
Why?
Because I want to destroy the city.
Why?
Because I want to.
Why?
Because, all right? Because I was mad.
Why?
Because no one likes me, do they?
Why?
I don't know. You tell me. No one's ever liked me. Even back when I was in the school. All the other fish, they used to call me Fatty Fish Face. Imagine that. Fatty Fish Face.
Maybe, Flippy, maybe you just need a friend. Oh, yeah. I got something that'll cheer you up.
What's that? Your manifesto?
I made you a book. Do you want to read it?
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Flippy and me flew up to a star. They had a swing set, so we swinged on it. I fell off, but Flippy saved me. Flippy and me went under the sea. Then we ate 5 soups. The end. Did you like it? Oh, you poor little